Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. All the Dogecoin holders, we need to talk about some important things because major things have changed in the last 24 hours. I mean, specifically, if we just go ahead and look at the trading volume, it has gone down a little bit, but still quite high. On the other end, 17 cents to 45 cents was hit in one single day. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin might push Cardano out of the top, and CEO might be adding Dogecoin to X very soon. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge to decide to buy into it, and then it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to discuss with you guys something super important. A lot of people are saying, okay, middle of April we're gonna be hitting $1, but that is very far away. How can we do a 700x in less than 24 days? Now, that's not very long, I completely understand, but if you guys actually go ahead and look at this, so in 2021 you can see that the chart moved up so much in such a short time. I'm talking from 17 cents we went all the way up to 45 cents in less than 24 hours, and that's just insane because it just gives you a little bit of perspective in terms of how quickly the chart can move when it comes to Dogecoin. If we're able to get some sort of news from Elon Musk, like he decides to tweet out something relating to Dogecoin, or he just puts out a meme, that's going to make a huge difference. I mean, slowly, if you guys have been paying attention to our boy Elon, he is getting back into his meme culture and a lot of people are paying attention to it. Why am I saying that? Because yesterday, I mean, we talked about this, but just to remind you guys, yesterday he did tweet out relating to Dragon, which did make a huge headline like this one. Now, compared to the other things, this is slightly different because he's talking about memes that, hey, and we can see that a lot of people are talking about other things. Now, this is just to give you guys a perspective that recently his meme count has gone down, but now he's getting back into it. So therefore, when we get closer and closer to the 1st of April, we might be getting some April Fool's joke from him relating to Dogecoin, and maybe 420, which will be April 20th. Now, Shiba Inu and Doge are moving up so quickly. I mean, if you guys have been paying attention to the market cap movement, you can see that the difference between Dogecoin and Cardano is only just $2 billion, but when it comes to the trading volume, Doge is being traded double compared to Cardano. So therefore, a little bit of a push, and I'm not even talking about a huge push, a 15% increase, and Doge is easily going to beat Cardano and push it down to the 9th spot. So it's interesting. Now let's talk about something which a lot of people have been waiting for. X payments has been announced on the 1st of January. It's been about 2.5 months now. A lot of people are waiting for them to make their first tweet, which is interesting because they're still not made any sort of tweet. If you guys just see, it's completely blank page, but this is just a little bit of a sneak peek in terms of what kind of payment options that can be added in. Now, CEO today, who has over 460,000 followers, Dogecoin, the internet's true tipping currency, would be tipping option on X. And you guys can see allow tips, allow people to directly send you money through tips, and Dogecoin is going to be part of it. Now, keep in mind, this has not been officially confirmed yet, but if it looks something like this and someone with such a big following is trying to get this included, you guys know that Elon will be doing something. We are not sure when X Payments is going to be making the announcement. I mean, 3 months has already been a long time since the account was created, but does that mean that they are waiting until the 1st of April to make some sort of announcement? If that happens, you guys know Doge is going to do some numbers. Now, on the other end, I do want to mention Dogecoin's price action today was quite dull. I wouldn't say it was bad, but it was more like it was just quiet, as there was not much movement. But the best part about this is we did not go into a downtrend. As you can see, we're sitting close to the 17-cent support, and if we look at the overall trend, you guys can see that we're just trying to consolidate between the 17 and the 18-cent market. Now, while we're consolidating between this, a lot of whales, as I have shown you before, is starting to accumulate as much as possible. As we're getting closer to the 1st of April, we might be seeing some big move. And you guys can see over here, this is going to show you a little bit of perspective. Over 150 million Dogecoin transferred to Robinhood. What's happening next? Keep in mind, anytime an exchange pretty much gets the we're just talking about crypto. So whenever the exchange gets any sort of crypto, usually that whale is trying to sell. Now, this is another interesting thing. Our boy Billy, happy tipping Tuesday, fam. Drop your Dogecoin wallet for the tips. Makes tipping fun. Now, this just shows you a little bit of interesting perspective, because why is there so many people that are talking about Dogecoin and also tipping Dogecoin? So does that mean we're getting closer and closer to this? And you can see some memes are also becoming really funny. Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. Bitcoin, and then you guys can see Dogecoin is running behind. What's really interesting about this is it should give you guys a little bit of perspective in terms of what is happening. Like X Payments not making any sort of announcement for 3 months, and then Elon Musk tweeting memes after such a long time, constantly retweeting Doge designer. It's just so many things are coming together. SpaceX is doing their launch. Tesla Cybertruck has so many things on the website which mention Dogecoin in the code. Now, it just shows that so many things are building up for a specific date, and the closest date comes out to be 2 dates. 1st of April and 20th of April. So, and there is a lot of people who are also talking about how 1st of April is going to be a big day for Dogecoin, and also 15th of April is going to be a big day for Dogecoin, because on the 15th we're going to be realizing that maybe if the previous time movement is taken care of, then Dogecoin will be hitting $1. So it's just first half of April is going to be really busy for Dogecoin. Now, staggering $47 million stolen in crypto by Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu, targeting 57,000 victims. So be a little careful. American investors eye on some other tokens, and Dogecoin is moving. I mean, what's really interesting is you guys need to pay attention. Dogecoin right now is doing some big numbers, and you can see 3 of the tokens to look out for right now, one of them being Dogecoin, because soon as the meme tokens start blowing up, you guys know it's going to be doing big deal. Now, rate my fit 69,420. If 420 hits the way it is thinking of supposed to, let's say 15th of April, and April is going to be a good time for a lot of people. Dogecoin Destroyer gains so much attention. Now, this is going to give you a little bit of perspective how many people are trying to use Dogecoin's name to try to promote their token. So be a little careful, because this is one of the ways to pretty much, take you out of the market. Just keep that in mind. Dogecoin prospect looking good. Top traders predict a $1 price tag very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel and want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.